Hi Sai, hi Akila. So we'll start session in now 5 minutes. It's 7:56 now. By 8 o'clock we'll start. So meanwhile, if you have any questions related to your career or also any doubts, placements related, so you Hi Sai, hi Akila. So we'll you have any questions, Akila or Sai?
Hi Akila. Good evening. Hi Vishaka. Good evening. Hi Sakshi. Good evening. Hi Sai. Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Let me share my screen to everyone. Just wait for a few more minutes. We will start this session. Hi Mayank. Good evening. Hi Suparna. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Is it first class for you or yesterday also you attended the class?
It is sir first class.
Okay. Okay. Great. Hi Akila. Good evening. Hi Sai. Good evening. Just wait for 2, 3 minutes. We will start the session. Sakshi, did you understand yesterday's class? Hi, Pawan. Good evening. Can you hear me, Sakshi? Hi, Surya. Good evening. Hi, Pawan. Good evening. Hi, Karthik. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, Sabyashi. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Just wait for 2, 3 minutes. We will start the session.
Meanwhile, any questions, guys? Akila, Pavan, Mayank, Karthik, Sai, Sakshi, Surya. Vishaka. Guys, anyone have any questions, doubts?
Hi, hi Jay. Good evening.
Anyone from here from US? US, Canada? So there is some good news, guys, who are from US, who are from India. So anyone from US, Canada, or else any abroad country, UK? Anyone joined today? No? Good news for likely people who are looking for job in India, not for abroad. So US people like who had as GC or a EAD is fine, but compared to H1B, so there are more openings in India compared to US H1B. Only reason, right, current situation, geopolitical issues. That's the one reason compared to your abroad countries, they are not ready to take a risk to job offer any H1B people. If any issue, if again Trump like a wants like a few more amount, you have to be pay something, or else like the visa is valid and you have to be sent back to their own country, right? So these risks they were not ready to take. That's the reason they are pushing maximum projects to India. You can see in either Naukri or LinkedIn, there are a number of openings in India, Indian market, and they are giving very decent package. Earlier for freshers, 7, 8 lakhs on average package is a huge, but nowadays 15, 14 also got students with the 6 months internships, particularly in data science and agentic AI. Even some projects who learned data engineering in KSR, but they got a project on agentic AI after selecting as a data engineer. So it should be going to be very huge demand in the market. But might be you need to work with a multiple demand company, multiple projects or multiple people, different domains. That's the reason our course curriculum also designed it will be connected with the multiple departments within the data. Any questions here? Yeah, Jay.
Mahesh, what is the course duration and fee for this one?
Course duration comes for around 5.5 to 6 months, and fees will be 40,000 Indian currency, INR.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Jay, you are in UK, right?
No, from India only.
India only, right? Okay. Okay. So no questions, guys. Then Koti will start the session.
Just wait for 2 more minutes.
Sure.
Okay, just waiting others to join us.
Yeah.
So, how many of you are the new student today which were not were not been part of yesterday's class? Who have not been part of yesterday's class? How many of you are new?
Hello, sir. This is Baswara. I'm new.
Taswaraj. Okay.
Karthik.
Sir, means I had a few more queries related to like which program I should enroll. Should I ask it now or later?
Yeah, you can ask in the meantime. I think just wait for 2-3 minutes. Yeah, you may ask.
Sir, currently I'm working as a Power BI report writer at Open University in London.
Mm-hmm.
I have done masters in data science from Roehampton University, London itself. Currently, I'm in London itself. For vacation, I've come on vacation to India. Currently, I'm in India. But, end of this month, I'll be going to London. As of now, I'm having two more. I thought of upgrading my skills. I've learned Power BI and SQL. Actually, I should thank you, sir, because from YouTube video, I watched a few of your videos. I think by name Santosh. Actually, those videos helped me a lot in terms of cracking the jobs. Yeah, now I'm planning to upgrade my skills. I'm thinking whether to go with respect to data science or with respect to data engineering. This was my query. Which course should I choose like that? Like for me, my main concern is the course should be like a futuristic, where as of now we can see a lot of job cuts are going on because of the AI. So my goal is to have a futuristic course and a package course and in terms of everything.
Mm-hmm.
Like prior to that, in India also, I had worked as a data analyst at Anthology
Mm-hmm.
International.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, from past 7 months, I'm working in UK as a
Okay.
data Power BI analyst.
You yourself give an answer also.
Yeah.
You have seen a lot of layoffs just because of AI.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Then what you have to learn to save
So,
from that?
like, which is the safest, or in terms of, in terms of
See,
safe?
in
Yeah,
this world, nothing is safe.
yeah, I understand. So, yeah, you're right.
Uh, we don't know what is going to happen to us after 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Earlier, we thought health was okay, we are fine. Now we are not sure what is going to happen after 5 minutes also.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
On the other side, we don't know how Trump is going to bombard us from every corner.
Yeah,
We don't know, honestly.
correct. Yeah.
Right. So in this arena, our goal must be what is happening in the market, how
Okay.
should we protect ourselves from the layoffs.
Okay.
Now, I would say it is not a layoff, or
Okay.
it is not because of toxic environment. It
Okay.
is all about happening survival.
Okay.
So probably heard a term called torch bearer. So
Yeah.
every generation we have a touch barrier. Something
Okay.
changed. In
Okay.
India, especially after
Yeah.
1990s, there is a term called LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization.
Yeah.
After that, we have seen lot many opportunities in different areas, different sector. Most of us earlier, prior to that, most of were in government jobs or in farming.
Correct, sir.
Now we are entering into that. Now, especially after 2020, after COVID, or especially after 2022,
Yeah.
everything is moving towards automation.
Yeah. You're right, sir.
Right? It is all is happening because of AI.
Yeah.
So it doesn't mean that AI came on 2022. Yeah,
Yeah.
AI is there from 1970 onwards.
Yeah.
But the thing is that by step, initially it came as a data analysis part, machine learning, from machine learning, deep learning, deep
Yeah.
learning to now AI.
Yeah.
So from AI to generative AI, now after in 2022 we got generative AI, 2023 we got
Correct.
generative AI. Now
Yeah.
2025 we got, or end of 2025 we got agentic AI.
Okay.
Now we don't know
Yeah.
what is going to happen. So
Correct,
that is
sir.
what this case. So in order to upgrade yourself, you must learn the AI.
Okay.
Though you have learned data engineering, at the end of day in your organization, wherever you are attending interview, do you have knowledge in LLM models?
Yeah.
Do you have knowledge on something called ChatGPT, how to use the ChatGPT with the help of prompt engineering?
Okay.
So irrespective of the course you want to choose,
Yeah.
already you have experience in data science, already you have done masters in data science, to
Yeah.
extend to with an existing knowledge to get more skills, upgrading the more skills to get obtain the job easily. I would recommend personally AI or generative AI and agentic AI would be suitable for you.
Okay. Okay,
I'm
sir.
not saying because I'm a AI trainer, because of that I'm not suggesting you AI.
Okay.
In your case, this is the suitable.
Okay.
Irrespective of whether you are learning data engineering, whether you are going for Power BI, whether you are going for Java, whether you are going for .NET, any course in the, whether you are in a government job also.
Okay.
Now, understanding about generative AI,
Okay.
understanding about agentic AI is really required.
Okay.
Now you ask a question, how is it required for me? I'm working in a government job.
Yeah.
Simple answer is, if you want to use ChatGPT,
Yeah.
ChatGPT was trained on yesterday's session. Yesterday's session I covered. ChatGPT
Okay.
was trained on 1.8 trillion parameters.
Okay.
If you given wrong prompt, or if you not given a correct prompt,
Okay.
automatically it may not give you the what you are expected answer.
Correct. Yes, sir.
So in order to get that, you must have to understand the concept of prompt engineering. For
Okay.
that purpose also you have to learn the AI.
Correct,
Now
sir.
in our daily life, AI is mandatory.
Yeah.
Like in our daily life, like food and health is how is
Yeah.
important for us,
Correct.
walking, food. Similarly, AI is going to be our daily life, like the way
Correct.
how we are holding the phone in our daily life, it is
Yeah.
to be. If you want to
Yeah.
be smart work.
It's been already a complete dependency on here. Yeah.
Exactly. That is, I hope you got the answer now.
Yeah, correct, sir. Yeah, sir. Means my thinking was as of now the fabric is also is booming. Like a lot of hiring is going on fabric side as well. So I means as of now
Uh,
I'm in Power BI side.
so
Means
there also
one
see
thought. Yeah. I thought
Power
of
BI is Power
yeah.
BI is an environment. Sorry,
Okay.
Fabric is an environment where you can use reports and all. Again, there you are using the Copilot.
Yeah.
Copilot again you need to learn about the prompt engineering.
Correct, sir.
Again, it is mandatory here also.
Okay. So it's better to go with this genetic
Yes,
AI.
it is mandatory, sir. In
Agentic
your
AI.
daily life, it is mandatory. Without that, you cannot learn. It doesn't mean that I will start with the generative AI or agentic AI. We are going to start with SQL.
Okay.
But I want to remove fear about AI in everyone's
Okay.
mind. That so I started generating AI. My goal in next 3-4 days is that without using a single code, by using just a basic prompt, you must build an AI application. That is what I'm trying to start it with the generative. It doesn't
Okay.
mean that I'm not going to start. Of course, after the third session or fourth session, maybe after fourth session, I will start with the SQL only, starting with SQL, Python, and all.
Okay. Sir, I had one more query. Means
I think we
related to
can discuss later
SQL.
about the
Okay.
questions later
Okay.
because
Fine.
again,
Yeah,
already
sure, sir. I
people are
understand. Yeah.
waiting.
Yeah,
Don't
understand.
mind.
Sure.
At the end,
Fine.
I can answer the question. Sakshi.
Fine. Thank you.
Yes, Sakshi. Sakshi, you're asking something? Okay. So, hi guys. Good evening. How are you doing today? Come on. How are you doing today? Hi Raj. Hi Ram Gopal. Hi Henry. Hi Bhavya. Akila Sai. Sharif. Umesh. Tapan. Okay. So, let me record this session, guys. Can you see my screen, everyone? Can you please confirm? Someone please confirm.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
we are able
sir.
to see.
Yes. Okay. Let me recap what we were. Hi, guys. Good evening, everyone. Yesterday, we were started with large language model. For next 10 minutes, let me recap what we were discussed in yesterday's class. So, what is meant by large language model? Can anyone summarize? Can anyone summarize? What do you mean by large language model? Any idea? Anyone? Simple language were discussed. Anyone? Anyone can be voluntary? Anyone can be a voluntary? Anyone can be voluntary here? No one? Anyone? So here, large language model is a term which is simple to say. We called as LLM. Majority of people heard a term called LLM, but the full form of the term LLM is large language model. Am I right? So here in the large language model, we have large is one term. Here in the two terms we have, one is a large model, one is a large term. Second is language model. What is that? First term is large, second is language model. So language model. First, let's try to understand the meaning of language model. From the meaning of language model, we will understand the large. So let me explain one simple example. Okay. If someone speak to you in English, will you able to understand? Will you able to understand? How do you know whether they're speaking right or wrong? How do you know whether they're speaking right or wrong? Come on. How do you know? So let's say there are the people, I mean, especially the rural area. I'm not discriminating anyone. The people from the rural area of India, different parts of India. Some people would speak Hindi, some people would speak Tamil, some people would speak Telugu, Malayalam, or local language Odia something. Do you think the rural area people will they able to speak appropriate English and appropriate English? Yes or no? Come on, kindly respond. Kindly respond. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello, can you hear me? Vishaka, can you hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
Will they able to understand? Will they able to speak proper English, appropriate English?
Mm,
Yes or no? I mean, be honest. No problem. I'm not discriminating. Just to give an example. Will they
Not
able to speak? Not. Now, how can you say that they are not speaking appropriate English? On what basis you are saying that they are not speaking appropriate English? Based on what? Come on, come on, come on.
Based on understanding the language.
your less
Simple.
understand language.
I'm trying to speak in English. Whatever I'm using Butler English. How do you know I'm not speaking the right English? On what basis you will tell?
Uh,
Confidence.
Is it
like we
Grammar.
just on we
Like
listening what the other
grammar?
person is saying. Yeah.
Yes.
Grammatical mistakes. Next one. What about the other one? You know.
low confidence.
Sorry, Vishaka, you're saying something. Come
Low
on.
confidence.
Confidence,
No.
irrespective whether I'm speaking right or wrong, some people will say loudly with the clear, but they are
Yep.
not speaking correct English. That doesn't mean that
Yes.
they don't have a confidence, right? Grammatically, or grammar is one mistake, and whatever they're speaking, they do not have context or a meaning of the word. I said that I am going somewhere tomorrow. I will come, but I will attend class now. Does it make sense? Does it make
No.
sense, Raj? No. So whatever I said, does it have any context or meaning? Forget about the grammar.
Yeah, it should have context and relationship between the
That is the
the
context or relationship.
words.
Both are the same and grammatical. So what language model does? So for each sentence, for each whenever speaking, so English language, for example, how does it work? Let me explain a simple context. So I hope everyone good at. Let me take everyone good at. I will everyone good at the. So how do you learn the English language? How do you learn the English language? Words, right? So first you learn the alphabets. Am I right? Yes,
Yes.
sir. From alphabets, what do you learn? Words. So words in this language we call as a tokens or tokenization. It can be a numbers, it can be a words, or it can be a combination of both numbers and alphabets. From the words, collection of words, what do we call in English language? Collection
Sentence.
of words, sentence. Okay. From the collection of sentence, what do we call? Collection of
Paragraph.
sentence, what? Paragraph. From collection of paragraph, collection of paragraphs.
Can be whole chapter.
Chapter, any other word? Can anyone think about any other word? Come on, come on. Sabia, Vishaka, Raj, can you think about any other word? Any other word? Can you think about any other word? Come on. So we have words, sentence,
The book long sequence. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
paragraph. From paragraph, oh sorry, go ahead. From paragraphs, we will get the document, right? Collection of sentence is essay is called a document, right? Collection of documents are called as books, something like this.
Okay.
Am I right? Generally,
Yes.
right? Now, at word level, we may not, let's listen carefully. At words level, we may not able to understand appropriately whether a person is speaking grammatically correct. Does the words have any meaning? Does the words have any context? Or does the words have any relation? However, at sentence level, we can easily understand whatever does the sentence have any meaning? Does the sentence have any meaning? Right? Does 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 the sentence have any meaning in terms of context? are in terms of relation of the words, right? One word with the other word. Does the sentence grammatically correct? Grammatically correct. So what language model, just generally is this? In LLM, as I told you, right? LLM, large language model. Here, L is nothing but large, LM is nothing but language model. What language model does? Based on the sentence grammar, as well as sentence meaning in terms of the context and relationship, it will assign probability value for each sentence. Probability value for each sentence. That is called as the language model. That is called as the language model. Simple to say, language model is nothing but assigning the probability values for each sentences. How it will assign the probability values based on the grammar of the sentence, as well as context or relationship of that sentence. Based on that, it will assign the probability value. Higher the probability, higher the score, which indicate that sentence is more appropriate and correct. Lower the score indicate this sentence is not correct. Hence, here I hope you are clear about the language model now. So here I have taken the three sentences. One sentence is life is good. Second is good life is. Third is good life. Now, by looking at the English meaning, which one is correct? Obviously, the sentence one is correct as compared to sentence 2 and sentence 3. Hence, sentence 1 is having a meaning as well as a context or having a relation and also grammatically correct. Hence, it assigns the highest probability. That is about meaning of the language model. That is what we predict the words or sentences. That is how all the LLM tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, everything. This is how generate the sentences based on word by word, based on the language model. Is it correct? Are you clear about this? Now, what do you mean by large? So now we understand the meaning of the term. We understand the meaning of the term language model. Any doubt about the language model? Anyone? Any doubt about the language model? Bashwaraj, Bhavya, Vashaka. Yes, go ahead.
No, I'm good.
Mandeep, Mohan Sai, Sharif, Sai, Surya, Virendra, Sakshi, Karthik, Kotian, Jay. Any questions? Raj, any questions about this?
No, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Now let's see. Now we understand the meaning of the large. Let's understand the meaning of large. So language model assign the probability. I am happy to dash class. Okay, what word will come here? What is the happening here? See here. I am happy dash will come. What word will come here? What word will come here? Come on, come on. What word will come here? I'm asking just basic English.
To attend the class.
Huh? What word will come here?
Join.
Yeah, right.
To deliver the class. Deliver the
I'm
class.
happy to deliver the class. I'm happy to, okay, deliver is one class, one word. Attend is one word. What else will come? I'm happy to be part of class, right? Multiple word. Right, Raj?
Yeah,
Is it
happy to
correct?
sit in the class. Yes, yes.
Happy to sit, anything, sit. Like, what it does. So, what language model does, any missing sentence, missing word also predict next word. predicting the next word based on the existing thing, right? Next word prediction. How does it possible? What happens here? This ChatGPT or Gemini AI or Claude, there are the n number of things. Just example, they have already trained the information on massive website data. Massive website data. So some of the website data, example, Wikipedia, some of them, example, question and answer forums. Can you tell me what are the question and answer forums? Any idea? Question and answer for example? Any idea? Question and answer for example? Can anyone know about this? Example, one example. Quora. Have you heard about Quora? Stack Overflow. Stack Exchange. These are the question and answer forum. Like multiple things. Like even you can say question on Facebook also, forums like groups and all. Right? They have already trained on the data. By using this trained data, they have trained almost 1.8 trillion words. How many words? ChatGPT trained on 1.8 trillion words. 1.8 trillion words. Do you know what is the economy of Indian economy? What is the GDP, Indian GDP? How many dollars? What is the Indian GDP? How many dollars? Any guess? How many? What is the Indian GDP? Come on, come on. Come on. No idea? No idea?
4 trillion.
5 trillion. 5 trillion USD. Basically, 5 trillion USD. So 1.8 trillion words they have trained in different languages. So automatically, so it will use language model to predict the next word. So the large in terms of the massive data trained or training the data or data being used to train, and parameters. Parameter is nothing but number of words. Hence, large language model is nothing but predicting the probability of a words or a sentences on with the help of data trained using large massive data and parameters. Hence, it is called as the LLM. Understood in simple language? For this, we will use different examples and all we have. Now, how to build? Are you really interested to build your own application? I already covered this yesterday, but not required to go. Okay, let me explain you one simple example. You want to create a dashboard in Python, use sample data. Okay, let's see. Can you create, I'm just writing a sentence here. Can you create a Python dashboard? Python, can you create a sample Python dashboard to track sales for each region? Okay, that is a simple prompt I have given. What is prompt? I will discuss. So this dashboard will show you the total sales, sales by region, sales trend, all these things. Okay, automated has taken the data. See, automatic it has taken the data. See here, right? If you want, I can convert plotty. So can you show here? Can you show dashboard to me? Just I'm asking the same. Can you show dashboard? See here, I'm just asking a simple example I'm giving. See. Nothing I have given, nothing, just very simple. It is analyzing, it is taking the time, right? It may take some time to perform. Let's see, it is taking time. Just to take 1 minute of time. Mm. It is taking time. Maybe we ask the dashboard, right? It has to execute and everything internally. It may take some time. Right, see here, see. So automatically it shows the dashboard here. Right? See here, automatically, I mean, just show the static one, sales by region example, right? I mean, it is showing the all these things monthly, right? So let's see, if you want, I can show the exact mark. Let's see, exact Streamlit UI layout. How does it look like? Mark screen. So just example, listen carefully, right? Visual layout. See here, this is how the look into header screen, right? So this is the how the chart look like. This is the mark. I mean, just a simple example, right? So automatically it is giving. So it is a backend. It is using LLM model. Are you really interested to build similar kind of application without writing the code? Are you really interested build similar application without writing a single code? Yes or no? Are you really interested to build an application similarly without writing single code? Is it possible? Is it possible? What do you say? Is it possible? Yes, of course it is possible. But what are the different ways we can build LLMs? What are the different ways we can build the LLMs? Now I show you one example, right? Building the different ways of applications LLMs. So everyone, okay, let me ask you the question. How many of you are working in this group? How many of you are working? How many of you are working in this group? How many are working? Only one? No one else? Two? Only two? Three? Only three? Okay. Sabia or Sakshi? Let me ask a question. Karthik. Okay. Let me ask a simple question. Karthik or Henry. Have ever your manager or a team or your senior manager or your management team or your manager told you that, hey, Mr. Karthik, yes, you should learn AI tools. Did he? Have you heard about these terms? Sabia? Karthik?
Not yet.
No,
No?
no.
No, sir.
Never heard from your management?
No, actually, automation is going on. So we are automated through Python and other things, but they didn't tell that you have to learn that we are.
Automation is nothing but AI only, right?
Yep,
That means indirectly already you're using it
yep.
with the help of a technology or with the help of programming language Python. Of course, AI can be done with the only language, programming language Python, without any other language. We have to use the Python only. Of course, we also use the Python only. So LLMs are developing, guys, rapidly, and they have tons of potentiality as well as they have been deployed to address the specific needs. For example, is it possible to build a website in 10 minutes? You have 1,000 page PDF document. Listen carefully, Raj. You have 1,000 page PDF document. You want to summarize what kind of information is it available in the document? Summary. If you are able to get the 1,000 page summary in just 1 minute or just 2 minutes, how do you feel? It is all happening just because of LLMs. So what are the different LLMs we have? So every already available. The first one is GitHub Copilot. How many of you are using GitHub Copilot? Heard about GitHub? GitHub is a place where you can store your code. GitHub Pilot, even including my organization, also we are using the GitHub Copilot. So this is one of the world's topmost AI developer tool. Almost fought across the globe, more than 40,000 companies or businesses already adopted this code. So it can write the code on fly. For example, you have written Java, you have written a Java code, you have built an application in Java. Now you want to migrate that code to Python. Or let's say you have written code in Python programming language. Now you want to migrate to PySpark. Python is 1,000, let's say 1,500 lines of code. If you want to convert to PySpark, how much time it will take? How much time it will take? Come on, how much time it will take? You have 1,500 lines of code. Now you want to convert that code to PySpark. How much time it will take? How much time it will take generally? Come on, come on, come on. Guess any
In
right
few
or wrong?
minutes.
Huh?
In few minutes.
Few minutes. Will you able to write the 1,500 lines of code in few minutes? Manually. Sabia?
Not manually, sure.
Not manually. So, Bhavya, what is your answer?
Maybe a day or two.
In 2 days, you will convert all 1,500 lines of code Python to PySpark.
Yeah, I mean, without testing, with testing and all, it will take maybe a week and all. Yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, honestly speaks, I really worked on this kind of challenges prior to 2021. So, earlier we used to have SAS. This is my real example. SAS. Anyone heard about SAS? Anyone heard about SAS? So it is the first data science tool which was introduced in this world in the year of 1970, which is introduced or founded by James Goodnight. Still, it is a private limited company owned by only one person. Still, it is market leader for banking projects, still for credit risk and all. Still, people are using the software, right? Now, some of the applications, some of the models, we are trying to migrate from SAS to Python. At that point, we do not have Copilot, we don't have ChatGPT way back in the year of 2021 and 2019, right? In these years. So to convert one project, we used to take 1 month to 2 months. How much time? 1 month to 2 months. Even earlier, people are used to migrate the project from Python 2 to Python 3. They used to take 6 months to 8 months. 6 months to 8 months. Now, can you imagine? Someone has created a project or application in SAS or Python. You want to migrate the project to PySpark. Can you guess how much time it will take? Any imagine? 1,500 lines of code? Any guess? Hardly 5 to 10 minutes. How much? Hardly 5 to 10 minutes. However, there can be a possibility of some mistakes, some bugs will be there. You have to work manually or you need to just give in the suggestion, take the suggestion from GitHub Copilot. Again, after this suggestion, you must have to understand about the prompt. What kind of prompt? So with the help of GitHub Copilot, automatically it generate the code, no need to write the code. It increase the productivity by 50%. Most trusted LLM in this world, first and high priority secured LLM for coding perspective, people are using or prefer to use is GitHub Copilot. Now, in one of the session, not now, in one of the session, coming session, I will explain you how to connect with the GitHub Copilot, how to give a prompts and all. I will cover. Okay. Okay, Raj. Any questions? Any doubt? Karthik, any questions? Any doubt? Baswaraj, Ashwini, Kotayan, Pavan, Akila, Sabia, Sharif. Okay. Now, one more. instant website creation just by answering few questions. No coding is required. Can we try? So can we try this? 10web.io. So 10web.io AI builder. See here. Build your website. Describe your website. Okay. I want to build a website for promoting my hotel, my restaurant, which majorly supplies both veg and non-veg. I want by using, okay, this just I give the basic example. This is not the correct prompt. See here. Right, perfect website. See here, I want to build a website prompting my restaurant, which majorly supplies both veg and non-veg food. Right. See here. Generate, edit your structure, website name. Automatic is given the website name. You want website type, restaurant, how many pages you want. Like this, generate. Just simple generate. So it is asking the continue with the Google. Let's say given this. I mean, ideally, it won't create at free of cost. We need to pay some amount. Configure hosting. See, in the backend, it is using WordPress. Prepared in building environment. Right? See how much time it is taking. 37% is completed. 38. Maybe 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. So the thing is that if you able to give you an appropriate prompt, ChatGPT or any other existing LLMs will give you a perfect answer. So if you want to be an expert in AI engineer or AI developer, so first and foremost thing you must learn about the prompt engineering. That is a basic prerequisite. Don't worry. We will cover in our course about the prompt engineering also. Okay, clear? See here, this is how interesting is it? So creating website in just a fraction of minutes. Already 50% is done for backend environment, preparing the builder environment. All right. Let's see. Is it interesting or boring? Is it interesting or boring? Vishaka?
Yes,
Karthik Sharif. See, just I given the prompt. So the intent is everyone think that I need to write a large codes and all. See, it is all about AI is all about not the writing a coding part. It is all about how you are able to solve the business problem by utilizing your creativity, your applying common sense and some ethics. Ethics means you cannot cheat kind of thing. Right? If you know about these things, you can easily learn AI course. Right? See, automatically it is working. I mean, it may not get the proper one because we have not given the prompt also. Your site may take 2-3 minutes of ready. So 2 minutes of time. So of course 3 days, I mean 0 to 5 credits. So I need to upgrade. Who will give it free of cost? They have to pay, right? Even they have to, right? But just basic one will get. So in the earlier days, if you want to create a website, how long it will take? How many days it may take? You won't believe for KSR website. This is the KSR website, right? Why it is getting? Why it is not getting? See. So to create this kind of website, it took us more than 6 months. team taken more than 6 months, right? But here, with the help of AI tool, just creating a basic website. Maybe if you're using the Pro, you can able to get everything automated within 5-10 minutes, but you have to spend some good amount of money, right? It's generating images, editing, organizing the navigation, everything it is creating. See here. Even, okay, this is another example. Let's see. We have GitHub Copilot. Even we are using in my organization also. See, get started for free. Try now. Continue with Google. Continue with Google. Just automatically it is continuing. Okay, just it got some email. I mean to say some mails. Some password. I got this, some password. Right. Oh my God. It is asking some amount. Free trial. See billing. I'm right. It is asking some amount, payment method. Free for first 30 days. I don't have money to pay now. Because not required at this point. Right? This is how we can see. See how the website is. How is it? Is it interesting or boring? See how the website came. So mobile version. How the mobile version. Right? Desktop version. Menu. So explore more. Right? About us. We have not given the details, right? Head chef. We are not given the details. Reservation. You want to reserve, right? Contact us. So we need to provide the location. Of course, contact. We need to edit all the details. Select to edit because we have not given the phone number and all, right? Right. Automatically, it has created the website. Refresh the page. Right here, if you want to go to about us, reservation, menu, explore our menu. Right, this is the menu for right. So veg paneer tikka masala. See how fantastic it has given. Now tell me how much time it has taken. How much time it has taken? How many codes you have used?
Less than 10 minutes, sir.
Less than how many codes you have used? Zero. We have
Yes.
just given the simple prompt. Now it is all happened just because of LLM. Now our goal is for your business use case or for your business purpose. If you want to create a similar application on your own, how do you do? How do you automate your business? How do you automate your workflow daily which you are working? For that, we may create LLM models or AI agents. In order to create the AI agents or agentic AI, we must understand the concept of LLM. Understood? Right? Right? That is what one example. Is it boring or interesting? Right. Second thing, no coding. We have not used single code. Right? Everything we create. Jasper AI. So ideal for creating high quality blogs and email campaign. If you want to, let's say you created the website, right, for your restaurant. Now you want, so once you create a business, so if you are having your own business, are you going to promote your business? Are you going to promote your business? Will you promote your business? Yes or no? Will you promote
Yes.
your business? Definitely yes. How do you promote a business?
Yes.
By using the email
Mm.
campaign. So wherever you can write blog about your company, about your products, about your food menu, about your recipe, right? For that, will you sit hours and hours write the blogs? Will you sit hours
No.
and hours write the email? Definitely no. We are going to use another LLM tool to write high quality blogs as well as email campaigns, right? So this is Jasper AI. So majority of the companies now they are being use the Jasper AI to create the quality of blogs as well as email campaign. So you can see some email campaigns and all you are using the Jasper AI. right? If you want, I will ask you. Let's see. Jasper AI, right? Jasper AI is looking here. Where is it? Uh, right. So you have written something, sample text, right? Try just done. Okay. Per month, how much it's costed, unlimited annually. Okay, right. Paragraph, I mean, check AI tools, AI humanizer. You can write. So let's say I've written here. Can you write a blog about? Write a blog about, let's say, Trump. Sorry, article. My bad. Can you write an article about Trump? So to impress the Trump, he does anything for us. Can you write an article, right? See here. I mean, these are all we are using existing tools. Okay. Okay, let's see. If I paste here, humanize text instant, paste text. See, automatically copied, humanize. Just you want to write more of humanized format. See how it works? I mean, if you use the paid version, you'll get more and more better results. But as we're using the free version, we could not able to get the appropriate much result. Neutral and clear. How do you want to write the tone? Formal and professional, let's say. Writing for natural language. Light, how, light, like keep original tone, structure. See how it works internally. Right, GPT-0, they're using GPT again. See, ready to unlock the text? What you have to do? Unlock your text. So you need to continue the email or continue the Gmail. So they'll ask the payment, guys, definitely. See, they'll ask the payment. Who will provide it free of cost? No, right? So this is the AI research programs, right? AI detector, detect AI written content, make text human written, right? Everything. So whatever the rights you have, everything will does here only. Undetectable now. So because I have to pay, right? Per month I have to pay, unlock your text. So it asks the payment. I'm not going to give the right unlimited annual plan, right? So any UPI, just automatically can give the UPI, right? Automatically it will work. This is the another AI tool. I hope you are clear about this, how we are using this, right? Any questions, any doubt? Any questions, any doubt?
No.
Right? I mean, just using that today already existing well, but in order to create, okay. Next one is chat PDF. So can you tell me in India, which is a famous scam everyone knew about it in our area, in our arena? Famous scam which you ever heard about in India? Come on, come on, come on. I'm not asking any rocket science tough question. I've asked about the known scam to everyone in India. Any idea? Any guess? Come on, nothing? No one remember? Any scam?
Agrigold.
Sorry.
Agri.
Agrigold, only part of India, only part of
Cam.
huh?
Cam. It's a cam.
Stamp scam. Okay. Probably
Yeah.
you have you ever heard about a scam called 2G scam? 2G scam?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2G got all.
Yeah.
2G spectrum got
Yeah.
all.
Yeah. 2G scam. So do you know the fact I'll tell you, I'm telling the fact, guys. Listen carefully. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, has submitted 66,000 pages document to court about the case investigation. Now tell me, how many days does judge will take to read the 6,000 page? Their findings and insights, everything are stored in 6,000. It is a fact, guys. It is a fact. I'm not misleading. It is a fact. Now tell me, how many days does judge will take to read the 6,000 page? Okay, it may take 1 year. 1 year. Even if you take 1 year also, after reading 4,000 pages, what was there in the first page? Is it possible to remember? Definitely no. Definitely no. So unfortunately, judge read the documents and they have taken that. Unfortunately, what happened in the case, forget about. So if I want to get the summary of 6,000 page document in just a couple of minutes, how do you do? How do you handle it? Right. So by uploading your favorite book and having a chat with ask about your roles, characteristics, let's see one of my favorite thing which we do use in my daily life. As a banking, it is mandatory, which is really important. For example, chat PDF, which is really important, guys, which is really useful in the daily life. Okay. Draft file. Let's say I'll write a file, write banking norms for IRFS models PDF document. Okay, some document. I'm given some document. This is the document. I'm reading this document, 50-page document. Some 50-page document. Okay, listen carefully. Just downloads IFRS document. Okay, this is really useful, guys, to everyone. Okay, this is 57 page, which is produced by KPMG. Right, upload the document. IFRS document. So it is upload the document. So good evening. This paper covers a bank should implement imperial rules, right? Summarize the key challenge bank implementing. See, automatically, this is the what it is given the document, right? Quality. I want quality, right? Quality wise, you need to pay the amount. So fast, okay? Or it will ask you the questions, right? This is the document, summarized document from all the pages, right? Maybe as everyone know about can someone tell me what is a famous document everyone know? So probably, are you guys are engineers? Everyone are engineers? Wings of Fire book. Wings of Fire. Have you read about this book? Anyone? Have you read
Yes,
about
sir.
this book? Most of the people have read about this in English. Right. Right. So let's see. I'm just Wings of Fire. Now I will upload this document. Right. I'll upload this document, Wings of Fire. See, it is reading this autobiography tells about the story of Abdul Kalam. So summarize the story of Alam Rise and okay. Summarize the story of Dr. Kalam. Okay, Kalam columns, contributions. Okay, something like this. Something, I mean, we have to give, so unfortunately it's asking the file page has too many pages. The free limit is 3 pages only. Only 120 pages. Because of that, because there is no free. So what are the influence of columns? Some influence. Again, it is already over, right? So this is how we summarized. So if you want to read about any document, summarize the document. Again, we use another AI tool called Chat PDF. Another AI tool called Chat PDF. Okay. Now, how can we build these kind of LLM applications on our own? Now we have seen, we have created instantly, we have created the website, we have uploaded 1,000 pages of document, it given a summary of us, right? If you have written some article, it is writing in a more of humanized format, right? As well as we also given about the coding convert from one language to another language with the help of GitHub Copilot. Everything we have done, we have seen the multiple examples. So is it possible to build these kind of LLM applications, or should we use only the existing application? Can't we create our own LLM applications? What is your answer now? What is your answer now?
That is the reason we are going for agentic AI. Yes.
Exactly. That is what
Yeah,
we
that's
are
what
going to.
every company wants agentic
Sorry?
because the security and
Raj, your voice is
all the
breaking.
most of,
Raj, your voice is breaking. Don't mind. Could you please speak a bit louder, please?
yeah, that's what most of the companies want to go for.
Agentic AI and generative AI.
Yes, because of the
Sir,
security.
is it any
these are
tool,
all
LLM
open
tool
AI.
available for deepfake identification?
Yes, sir. It is available, sir.
Can you tell about, sir?
Sir, honestly speaks, okay. Let's search only. Let's see. Okay. So let's search.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Like, let's see.
Can you please revert me back?
Now let's search it now only.
Okay, sir. Fine. Please, sir. Please do it, sir. Okay.
Okay. Here only. Okay. Let's see. Here we have an option like, is there any tool or any LLM tool to detect deepfake? See, deepfake detection, sir. Yes, large language, especially multimodal one, are being developed, studied for deepfake detection, showing promising. There is a tool called Sensity AI. Deepware and Hive are AI remain dominant. Right? Even we can use, right? Right, sir. These are the McAfee deepfake detector, Intel fake checker, Hive AI. See here, sir. What is your name, sir? I forget about it. I could not able to get. Who was this question, sir?
Actually, my name is Sunny, sir. Actually, I am joining from CRPF, sir.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I hope these are the tools we have.
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now our goal, can we build these kind of applications on our own? Okay. Now we have seen without coding, we have written multiple things. Can we build any application, something like our own without writing a code? For that, what is required? What we have to learn? Guys, don't get panic. We just to get confidence on you as well as to boost energy of yours. I just started with the LLM. Honestly, we are not going to start the course with LLM. We are going to start the course with SQL only. Okay, SQL only. So 4 different ways we can build the LLM applications. What are the 4? Prompt engineering, just by prompt engineering. If you want to build a specific application only for banking related, only for RBI norms, how to fine tune your LLM models, training LLM from scratch. By using this, we can build our own LLM models instead of using existing model. So now in tomorrow class, I will start with prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? What is prompt? and all I will cover in the tomorrow. I will cover about the first 2 points, and if possible, I will explain I will build the model also, application also in tomorrow. If not, on Thursday, we will build the application. Is it okay? Okay, let me stop it now. Technically, any questions, kindly let me know now. Because if I start prompt engineering again, I need to spend another 1 hour. I don't think people will wait till 1 hour. Yes, guys, come on. Now you can ask me any generic questions. Any questions, I can answer your questions now. Come on. Yes, Karthik, you have raised the hand, please. Ashush, any question? Baswaraj, any questions? Raj, any questions now? Raj, I hope now we got some clarity.
Yes, sir.
Kotian, Manideep, Mohan Sai, Sucharta Tapan, Version Infinity, Vishaka. Okay. Okay, guys. If no questions, let me wrap up the session today. Any questions? Kindly let me know. I can answer. Or even let me stop the recording also. Now you can ask. Nothing will be recording now. Any questions? Okay. If no questions, let me stop here now. Tomorrow we will connect.